Hello. Today I want to highlight some of the materials and offerings Midpoint has to help you get active and support you with your fitness goals. A couple of topics that I want to highlight today are our streaming services using our e-libraries, Hoopla and the Ohio Digital Library, which is also known as Libby. I want to talk about some catalog tips when looking for DVDs and books, and I also want to highlight one of our special collections, leisure kits. So we'll start at our homepage, which is midpointlibrary.org, and if we go up to our e-resources and to e-library, it'll take us to our links for Hoopla and the Ohio Digital Library. We'll go ahead and start with Hoopla. Now this already has me logged in, but keep in mind that you will have to log in when you're using our e-libraries. But a couple of things that I wanted to highlight with this one, we're just going to search the basic, workout term. And some of the really fun things that Hoopla has to offer are playlists. So there's music like workout hits if you're looking for something fun and upbeat to keep you motivated while you're working. And they also offer, if we highlight over here on the side, go to format. So music is going to be our top hit, but we also have ebooks, audiobooks, and then the movies and television are what I wanted to highlight with Hoopla as well. If you're looking for something that you can stream on your device or possibly even download to your device, which can vary from item to item to kind of keep with you on the go when you're looking for something for motivation. And then along with Hoopla, we have the Ohio Digital Library, which I just want to highlight quickly as well. Same as before, I'm already logged in, but you'll need to log in when you use this as well. And we're going to go ahead and search the term fitness here. And then one of the cool functions that the Ohio Digital Library offers are magazines. So if you're looking for like women's health, women's fitness, men's health, men's fitness, a lot of those popular magazine titles you'll find here. In addition to, if we are looking for more than just magazines, they do also offer streaming videos, help you in the same way that Hoopla can. And then the last thing that I really wanted to highlight was our catalog, which is known as VEGA. So we'll go up to our catalog search. We'll go ahead and use one of the same terms that we used before, so fitness. Now, VEGA can be a really helpful place to start because it's going to show you everything that we have in our collection, both our digital offerings and our physical offerings. But one of the really fun things that I like to use with VEGA is over here on the side in the refine results, is highlighting certain dates that I want to look for. So if I want to look for something that's going to be more recent, I want to find things that have been published between 2018 and 2021, and then we'll hit apply. So then it filters all of my results so that I can see more up-to-date things if I'm looking for something specific. And then the same as our other two offerings before, you can highlight by format. So if you know you're looking for an ebook or a physical book, audiobook, and then you can look and see everything that we have that highlights the term fitness. And then I'm going to go ahead and clear these over on the side. And then our special collection that I wanted to highlight are our leisure kits. So if you just search the term leisure kit or leisure kits in VEGA, it'll bring up all 17 that we currently have. Birdwatching, ukulele, chess. So it'll just let you know what we have currently available. But if you want to find, if you want to just see a list of everything that we have, you can head back to our homepage. And on our homepage, if you go under services and down to special collections, you'll scroll to the bottom of this page to find our leisure kits, and it just gives you a straight list of everything we have. Some of the things that might be more helpful with fitness or working out. We have a couple of outdoor games, so portable badminton and portable ping pong kind of get you up and moving. We also have hiking poles and a compass, and then bird watching if you're just looking to be outside and get active. And then you can just search for these terms directly in our catalog in VEGA. So just kind of highlighting what we looked at today, we have Hoopla, which has the Hoopla app that you can download in any app store that you use. A few suggested terms. The Ohio Digital Library uses the Libby app. And then in VEGA, which is our catalog, you can view all materials that we own, both physical and digital. And then if you want to browse on the go, you can always download the My Library app and sign in using your card number. And then a couple of search terms to look for if you're looking for leisure kits, something to get you up and moving, or if you're coming into the library or just want to browse in our nonfiction DVDs or our nonfiction books. Call number 613.7 is going to be fitness and workout focused. And our last thing to keep in mind is to always check out our midpoint programs calendar to see what in-person classes we might offer that also might get you up and moving. Thanks so much for joining me today. Also might get you up and moving. Thanks so much for joining me today.